Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 13, and its title is Safety. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, my dear students, lecture number 6 under the title of writing, we will learn about a narrative paragraph. How we can narrate things in the shape of a paragraph. So before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about narrative paragraph. There was on page number 73. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again and it will help you a lot. So today I am going to give you more hints how we can narrate an event or anything else in the shape of a paragraph. So our today's students' learning outcomes are: use appropriate vocabulary and terms to write a simple paragraph by narrating an activity from immediate and extended environment. Write a guided paragraph using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. So first of all, we will collect information, we will discuss all that, and in the next, we will organize all these information in the shape of paragraphs. So this is our SLO for today, and we are going to cover up that. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 177, and to be firm and patient in pain, are suffering and difficulty, and throughout all periods of panic. So yes, my dear student, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah Almighty wants that one is following Allah Almighty, obeying Allah Almighty, even when there is a time of suffering, there is a time of difficulty. So he must show patience. Okay, no need to be sad, or no need to be distressed that, oh, what happened with us. No, we have to keep firm that because there is after every difficulty there is ease, my dear students. There is also ours like fa inna mal usri yusra. Okay, so this beautiful verse is also telling that even there is a period of panic, if even we are in the time of difficulty, so time will go, it will be spent. So keep remember that we have to just keep firm belief on the blessings of Almighty Allah. Have you got, my dear students? So you must do that. Good. So let's perform pre-reading questions and we are going to refresh our knowledge. Refresh our knowledge, brainstorm, okay? Yes. What is a paragraph? Brainstorm your ideas. Okay, good. See next. What is a narrative paragraph? There are a lot of paragraphs are there. So we are going to discuss about narrative paragraph. So what do you think? What is a narrative paragraph? Excellent job. Good. So let's see what is a paragraph and what is a narrative paragraph. A paragraph is the combination of meaningful sentences supporting a single main idea. Always the paragraph will be the collection of meaningful sentences, my dear students. Suppose if you are collecting different sentences and you are writing in the shape of a paragraph, this will be not a meaningful paragraph. Keep remember that a meaningful paragraph always supports a single main idea. See there. Okay, a meaningful paragraph always supports a single main idea. Then it will be a meaningful paragraph. Suppose we are discussing our school, so we will write a paragraph about our school. Then it will be a meaningful paragraph. We have to keep firm according to the main idea. It's clear now? Good. So see there what is a narrative paragraph. Narrative paragraphs tell a story. This story is usually from your own personal experience, but it may also be an event that happened to someone else or a historical event. Narratives usually have a beginning, middle, and end. So yes, 3 things are mentioned there, my dear students. See there, what? Story, personal experiences, or event, or historical events. So which type of stories can be? In narratives means we discuss in the shape of paragraph, even we are verbally we are discussing, okay, and even we are writing on a page, on a paper. So in the shape of paragraph, so which type of stories these are? When we are discussing that what happened with us, this will be our personal experience. So this we will write in the shape of a story. It can be an event, any celebration that you have spent, any party, anything else that you want to discuss. So that can be an historical event that usually discussing. Also it can be a cultural event, religious festival, if you want to write a paragraph about these. So these, it will have a main point. Okay, and what will be the main point? The topic will be the main point. Got it? So this is the narrative paragraph. Keep remember, when we narrate, when we explain things that we that we faced personally, and we are going to that. It can be personally, but it can be that like in the shape of a story, in a easy and in a like explanation must be in a story shape. It should attract the readers. Is it clear? See there how we can set a paragraph. First of all, we have to set the scene, means include an event, set the scenes briefly. Next, include an event. First of all, we will give event. Event, what event is there? Event is that it can be a story, it can be a celebration, it can be anything else. Is it clear? So this will be called an event. So next, you describe the event. How we will describe? Baseline information, characters, and your feelings. Means suppose you are writing a story. So how many characters were there? You were alone or any other were alone. What you had seen. So that all things you will mention. What will the baseline? Baseline means baseline information that will follow the main idea. First line, topic sentence. Okay. This will the baseline information. Characters. How many characters were there? Okay, so this is the way that how we can set a paragraph. Means that we faced personally, that we will write on a paper. So next, go into details. How we have to go into. Help the reader to connect with your narrative and talk about what you have learned, share what you got from the experience. Have you got that? But how we will go to the detail? We will explain details. Suppose you are attending any birthday party. Okay, so what you did first? So you prepared yourself, you dressed up, when you got up, how you prepared yourself, who was with you, and how you reached there. Okay, in this way, in sequence, that it might be easy for the reader that how this paragraph is connected and sentences are connected to each other. Okay, you will not write that first you have prepared yourself and you have enjoyed a lot and means mix up irrelevant information. No need to write. Okay, you have to follow instructions into the sequence. So let's perform an activity. According to that, I am giving you a beautiful hint for you, my dear students. So be ready. Yes, I am giving you a topic sentence. It was a very special day of my life when 4th grade result was announced. Yes, it is for you. You have faced, all class have faced, you had like attended your 4th grade result day. You have attended now. So I am going to give you a hint that it was a very special day of my life when 4th grade result was announced. This is our topic sentence. So be quick, my dear students. Hurry up, I am waiting for you. Now give detail and get concluding sentence. Give detail and get concluding. My dear teachers, involve whole class and guide them properly how they can gather ideas and how they can organize them. Pause the video, I am waiting for you, and perform this activity in your class. Well done. I hope now you have covered it up that how we can narrate our personal experience in the shape of a story form. Good job, my dear students. These sporting details were there and concluding sentences were there that you have found. So see that open book, page number 121, there is question number 8. Discuss road safety and traffic rules with your teacher. Write a paragraph based to the information discussed in your notebook. So this question is for you. Open your notebook and perform this question into your notebook under the supervision of your teacher. Pause the video, my dear teachers, and get this work into your class. Welcome back and well done. I hope now students are able to discuss and able to write a nice paragraph. Good job. So what's our homework for today? Write a paragraph, a road accident in your notebook. So you will write about a road accident ever you faced, Allah may not do that, you may face any any accident, but that you will write. Okay, even you have listened from anywhere, everyone will write. So this is worksheet, my dear teacher. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students into printed form so that we might be able to get that what they have learned and the best thing I do. Okay, so this is for you, my dear students. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about paragraphs. We also came to know that paragraphs are with different types. We got knowledge about narrative paragraphs and its formation. In this way, we have covered up our SLO. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by narrating an activity from immediate and extended environment. Write a guided paragraph by using ideas gathered and organized through various strategies. Yes, we have done with it. We have cleared our topic according to these SLOs, my dear students. So this was our today's topic. So now we have got that, how we can adjust and how we can write a beautiful paragraph in a sequence, okay, in a clear meaning. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.